Have you ever dreamed of being able to have the perfect lawn forever? One cemetery is promising just that. The story is straight ahead.
A Southland cemetery makes a major change. Coming up, we're going to see why the grass could soon be a little greener.
A local cemetery may be the first in the country to beat the drought by installing artificial turf. CBS 2's Craig Figner reports the new grass has other advantages too.
If there's a place on the other side where the grass is always greener, maybe this is it.
In the next several weeks, we'll have all this area that you see replaced with artificial turf.
Chet Hitt is the co-owner of Sunset Hills Memorial Park. Slowly, he's been replacing his real lawn with plastic turf, the stuff that looks and feels like the real thing. And remember, if you're in the burial business in the desert of Apple Valley, this is a very practical decision.
Water conservation in California is going to get worse and worse, so when water rates keep going up, I need to think about maintenance and upkeep, so that's why I got into it.
Beyond saving water and money, Chet says he's simply thinking out of the box. Above the grave sites, there are large prefabricated boulders. They're actually mausoleums. A walk around this place and it is easy to forget you're in a cemetery.
It's not the dark and dreary, old tombstone-looking type graveyard. It's an upbeat place.
Upbeat and calm and definitely green. Cowboy actor Roy Rogers and his wife Dale Evans are buried here under a patch of no-maintenance lawn.
It has a clean look around the actual headstones here where you don't have to mow around it or weed eat around it.
There was some concern at first that artificial turf might look too plastic. That is until the landscapers arrived one day.
We had guys come in and actually mow our artificial grass, and we had to tell them not to do that. So, yeah, you can't tell the difference on some of it.
It's perhaps the first cemetery to go plastic, a final resting place promising something so elusive in life, a perfect lawn forever. In Apple Valley, Craig Figner, CBS 2 News.